Alright, heat wave coming for the Roanoke Valley in the southeastern United States coming up here. This is meteorologist Dean D. Davison for LiveWeatherBlogs.com Storm Surge LLC. Taking a look at, this is the GFS analysis, meteor rain forecast analysis. You can see we have a high pressure, low pressure here in the Midwest coming through. There's a center cold front through. We got some storms possibly going on the line around here. You're going to have that possibility for the next couple of days coming up here. 24 hours from now, you're going to see what's going to happen. We're going to have a moving along as this high pressure off the coast, keeping it warm. Low pressure moving through. You see the cold air stuck up here in the northern tier. We have the warm air here with the high pressure in the southwestern United States. Fire danger going to be really high on this one. As we move right along that 48-hour mark, what we're going to see once again is now you're getting the southwest winds around this low pressure system. So it's going to be a warm up here. This is in the Tuesday. The low pressures are way up in the northern tier, up in Canada. The fronts are dragging through the north, not really affecting a lot of people in the south, southern United States. We're going to see a couple days of possible severe weather when you get to upsloping, when you get a low pressure system move through. But that's about it. As we continue, the warmth will start building here in the east. Low pressure system over the Colorado area. This is going to bring the southerly flow in. You see the warm air going to start coming into the whole eastern United States. It's going to get warm, guys. We're talking about in the 90s, possibly approaching 100 by the end of this forecast, and it just continues to get warmer and warmer. It's high. This Bermuda high continues to keep this warm weather in place, and I'm going to keep going through these days, 5-day. You can see there's just general warmth with the high pressure system. No real chance of rain. Tuesday's the only chance we really have for any kind of precipitation, and you see just the next low is way out in the Pacific Northwest, and that'll be what cuts it in. But still, the warm air in the 90s continues, and we may see a little bit of a break by next weekend, especially New Jersey, Washington, D.C. area, but down in Raleigh and Roanoke, still warm. 8th day. Going through here, this will be Monday, a week from tomorrow. You see, this generalized pattern continues. We don't see a cool down, per se, for at least a week. I mean, we're going to be in the 90s, and then finally we get enough low pressure is going to get far enough south that Roanoke and Raleigh will start breaking back probably into the 80s. In the 70s, we get to day 10, which is Wednesday. You're going to see this is how it all occurs. We get the cool air with a low pressure system moving through, cold front, maybe some severe weather. We'll have to see how that operates. The warm air will generate that back in the middle of the country. But this is summer, so we kind of have to expect this as it goes along. We see severe weather today, Texas, and also up here in the northern plains, the moderate risk area, and that is an area where you're going to see the possibility of tornadoes in South Dakota and Minnesota, and also a little slice up in the Ohio area near Pittsburgh. And that's for today. We're going to go into tomorrow. You're going to see a severe weather ridge rise. You may not understand what that is. It goes around the ridge of high pressure systems, and that's where you get the most severe. You see these systems ride around the ridge. And when that happens, basically you're going to ride around the high pressure system. So you may get some storms that creep in towards Roanoke, but I don't think it's going to get there. The most severe weather will be up in the Wisconsin, Minnesota area. Like I said, a lot of this is a ridge riding system. You may get that punch of MCS, the Mesoscale Convective System, come through Roanoke late tomorrow. But that would be it. After that, the high pressure is going to take over, like I said, and the chances of severe weather are from Minnesota. And that's the foreseeable future. Everything's going to ridge ride and around the southeastern United States and the mid-Atlantic. So expect the heat for the next couple of days and not much relief. So the southern Virginia area and North Carolina area forecast for the next couple of days. Tonight, 30% chance of showers, 63. 80 degrees on Monday. Chance of thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. Mesoscale convective system may come through. Chance of thunderstorms, 65 Monday night before the heat builds Tuesday. 92 degrees, 93 on Wednesday, 93 on Thursday. Lows near 70, so it's not going to be nice. Friday continues. 94 degrees, and then we're going to drop possibly by the weekend into the 80s with a chance of showers or even a thunderstorm isolated throughout the weekend. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com, Storm Surge LLC for the latest weather information. Get our widget. It's in the right-hand side of our site. What that'll allow you to do is become a business partner with liveweatherblogs.com. You put that widget on your webpage, and we'll have a free advertisement to you. See liveweatherblogs.com for that information. All right. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist, administrator, and severe weather manager, Dean D. Davidson. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you a little later.